Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Fashion Desire. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine, doing well, and enjoying their life. Dear viewers, police subscriber, and beautiful people's today topic. This is about beautiful, amazing, and top trending design ideas of office wear, shiny and soft leather skirts. To dear viewers, today videos you can also see a huge and different variety of leather mini dresses like leather skirts with your beautiful stylish full half sleeves blouse and stylish bag varieties. So dear viewers, you can see latex designs ideas of leather skirts of different colors and with stylish bags. All of these skirts already beautiful and comfortable and easy to wear, and you look beautiful, stylish, and trendiest in these skirts. Hope so, guys. You like all of these of collections of leather skirts with stylish silk and satin and also chiffon blouse. Today videos you can also see beautiful and amazing leather bodycon dresses. All of these collections and are very beautiful and trend of 2020-24 new design ideas. Hope you hope you guys like my videos, share my videos, and new collection of 10 days in 2024. So viewers, if you like, then if you like my videos and share my videos with your friends and your relatives, thanks my watching my videos. Keep visiting my channel for more information and updates. And till the end of my videos, thank you viewers. Goodbye. See you soon with new collections.